Lisa's learning how to drive. My baby's 13 years old. On the back roads, we're going home. How's it feel to learn how to drive, Lisa?
It's awesome.
Okay, on the curves, you're gonna ease on the brake a little bit. Ease. There you go. Okay, now looks good. Now gas. Stay on your side of the road. You're the right side. There you go. Now you can speed up a little bit more. I mean, when you get close to the house, put your blinker on. Good job. Stay on the road now. There you go. Good job. Put your blinker on. Easy. Okay. Put your brake a little bit. Put your gas. Gas. Alright. Brake. Gas. No, brake. Okay. Hold your brake in and then put your pedal in. You shift.
You do that?
There you go.